morning, students. I am Vipul Tiwari, Faculty of Physics, and here we are going to discuss one of our textbook topic, that is Ohm's law, right? So in this topic, there was a scientist, Simon Ohm, who stated that if we increase potential, then current in the circuit will also increase uh, in the proportion with the potential. As we increase the potential difference or the voltage in the circuit, in the same ratio current will also increase in the circuit, right? So we can see that there is a relation in potential difference, that means voltage and current, that is V is directly proportional to I, where V is the voltage and I is current in the circuit. Now we know that when directly proportionality sign removes, it leaves two things. The very first thing is equals to, and the another thing is constant. So here this is constant, right? And this is I. Okay. So this now becomes V is equals to Ri or even IR, where V is nothing but the voltage or potential difference in the circuit. I is the current in the circuit, and R, what was R? Actually, R was the resistance of the circuit. Resistance is something which resists the flow of current. And here, this constant becomes resistance. Actually, this was proportionality constant. And this proportionality constant works here as resistance, right? So this relation V equals to IR is nothing but the mathematical form of Ohm's law, right? So now let us clear this topic by taking one numerical, right? So in any circuit having potential difference is equals to 20 volt and current flowing through it is 4 ampere, we have to find the resistance of this circuit. Actually, we have to find the total resistance connected in this circuit, right? So solving this problem, we can conclude that potential difference, that means voltage we have given is nothing but 20 volt, and current I we have given is 4 ampere. Now we know that V is equals to IR from Ohm's law. Now we have given V is equals to 20 volt and I is equals to 4 ampere into resistance R. This 4 will cancel this 25 times, V upon ampere is equals to R. So resistance comes out to be 5 volt per ampere, and we know that volt upon ampere is nothing but unit of resistance. This is actually ohm. So resistance of this circuit comes out to be 5, right? So this is the mathematical interpretation of Ohm's law, okay? And in a statement we can conclude Ohm's law as if in any circuit potential increases, in the same ratio current will also increase, and this will make V is directly proportional to I, and finally V equals to IR, and this is nothing but our Ohm's law, right? Thank you.